Hello students, in today's lecture we will discuss about decision making using switch statement. Before starting the lecture, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon to get latest video notification. The switch statement is a multi-way branch statement. It provides an easy way to dispatch execution to different parts of code based on the value of the expression. Switch is a control statement that allows a value to change control of the execution. Rules for switch statement. First rule is the switch expression must be of an integer or character type. Second rule, the case value must be an integer or character constant. Third rule, the case value can be used only inside the switch statement. Fourth rule, the break statement in switch case is optional. If there is no break statement found in the case, all the cases will be executed present after the matched case. Fifth rule is the default statement is executed if no case constant expression value is equal to the value of the expression. Syntax of switch statement. Switch expression. Expression can be integer or character type. In switch statement, we have multiple cases. Value of case can be integer constant or character constant. Suppose expression matches with value 1. Then code inside the case will be executed. Break statement is placed after the case. Break statement brings the control out of switch block. If break statement is not present, then the control comes to next case value 2. Code inside the case value 2 will be executed. After the break statement, the control comes out of switch block. If the expression is not matched with any of the case value, then the control goes to default and execute the default statements. Now, with the help of program, we will implement the concept. In the main function, we have declared three variables of type int. A is assigned value 2, B is assigned value 2, and C is assigned value 1. Control comes to switch statement, switch expression. Here expression is A divided by B plus C. 2 divided by 2 plus 1. That is 1 plus 1, 2. Now the expression matches with case 2. So printf statement prints result is 2. As break statement is missing, control comes to case 3 and prints result is 3. Again, break statement is missing, so control comes to default and prints I am in last. And control comes out of switch block and our program ends here. Here is the output. Result is 2, result is 3, I am in last. So we end our lecture today. Thank you.